doing? Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mr. Riley coming to you live from the West Coast, the best coast, the West Side. Hopefully, you're doing well wherever you are on this wonderful Saturday evening, afternoon, or morning, whatever, or whenever you're watching this particular video. If you're live right now, you can see, is it over here? Yeah, right there. You can see it's about 7:55 on the West Coast, the West Coast, and the sun is still out shining nice, and so hopefully everyone is going to hopefully everyone have a wonderful day, and hopefully that hopefully the sound is coming through. If you just happen to watch be on as I'm live right now, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if everything is sounding nice and crispy and good and wonderful. But I'm gonna listen to the replay anyway, because I normally do. But again, just hoping that everyone is well and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into it. I figured I'd go ahead and I'm actually testing a couple of things here in the group, and so I got a couple of new products over here on the desk set up here, and so I'm kind of anxious to make sure that they're working properly. And I had a couple of extra coins in my pocket, and I figured I'd go ahead and pick up something that I know that will add value to my setup and to what I do. And so let's go ahead and hop into it real quick. I've been seeing a lot of people with these devices, and I had to kind of think about a use case for myself. And I actually have a use case for me and what I'm doing. And so let's just go ahead and we'll kind of talk about it. This bad boy, this small box here, just happened to be delivered yesterday. Today came in today. Ordered it yesterday, came in today, and I'm actually going out of town on my vacation with my wife, and going out of town. And a lot of my family and friends, they're like, "Hey man, I love it when you post some of your stuff on Facebook and Instagram or whatever." And so I figured, I could use this device to help with my microphone situation, just to making sure that my volume and the audio side of everything is going to sound really, really nice. So let's go ahead and unbox this small box. Do you think you know what it is? If you think you might know what it is, hold on one second. I think this is my front gate calling. Hello? Absolutely. Thank you. All right. So Instacart is delivering something for the family, once we leave. And so if you think you might know what it is, go ahead and, maybe put it in the comments if you're watching live or if you just happen to watch the replay. So let's go ahead. So they're like, "Yeah, James, man, we kind of like when you post some stuff and what you're doing on your vacation, you and your wife or whatever." And I was like, okay. But I've been seeing a lot of people with these. They're not new. They've been around for quite some time. However, I figured I'll go ahead and there we go. I picked these up. These are the Rode Wireless Me. So there you go, right there. And so I figured I would add some value to my setup. I can use this if I'm recording, like doing a blog post, or just recording something in my hotel room, or if I'm out and about. And I don't think I'm gonna use it that much while I'm out and about. But if I'm recording something in my room when I have some downtime. And I think for this particular vacation, what I'm going to do is every night kind of do like a video blog kind of situation, and then I can upload it to whatever I want to upload it, if it's going to be Facebook, YouTube, or whatever the case might be. So I picked up Wireless Me, Rode Wireless Me. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. It says, I like to kind of read some of the features on the box. And so it says two-way interviews, works with cameras and smartphones, and of course, free Rode video and audio apps. So yeah, I've seen a lot of reviews and was kind of contemplating getting the Wireless Go 2s, I believe, but they were a little bit too expensive for my blood, and I figured this would be a good way, entry point for me to get into the wireless game, if you will. All right, so there we go. So we got that bad boy open. And in true Rode fashion, so here are the Accessories, it comes with a pouch, right? A nice, easy flip out pouch. Okay, I guess everything is pretty small. And then we have the gel pack, of course. Let's put that to the side. And then we have the receivers and the transmitter. So let me see if I can pull them bad boys out real quick. Okay, I can pull them out. Alrighty, so there we are. So just put that right here. Oh yeah, there we go. So those are them. And let's just kind of take them off out of the packaging to the side. And so what I'll probably do, I'll charge these bad boys up. And here's the interesting, let's go back to full. I love the way it kind of tells you this particular one is the receiver, and then this other one is the transmitter, and it has the little icons right there so that you can know where each of these bad boys go and how they should be used. So let's go ahead and open up the accessory box, and that'll be it. I can finish packing and charge these bad boys up and get ready to get up out of here. Oh man. Okay. So the windscreens are very, very soft. I mean, it's almost like you don't even know they're there. So you got two different windscreens, and from what I understand, they just fit right on top, I believe. So we'll play with that, but there's fit on top of each one of these. There is a charging cord, a USB-C cord here. We'll do it like that. Oh yeah, there we go. USB-C, USB-C to lightning cord right there. And then we have two cables, the TRS and I believe the TRRS cable. I think I got those right. So we got this right here. This one has the two. Let's see. Black rings on the top. I'll have to make sure that I know the difference. I know the difference between the TRS and the TRRS cable, but yeah. So we have a pair of these, and we're going to have some fun exploring the difference between the two. And of course, we have the packaging right here. So I'm going to have a good time charging these up, and before I go out of town, and we're going to use this to record just some good content, whether we're out on the go. I'm not going to take them to the pool side, or if we have some excursions planned, like going to a waterfall and going down a couple of things. I don't know what the wife has in store for us, but those are the wonderful things that we have that came in the box, and I can't wait. Again, we have the manual, so I got to make sure I pack this and read it. The case for everything, got a couple of cables, the USB-C, I'm sure, to charge, the two different cables to use either with my smartphone or with my camera, USB-C to lightning cable, and then we have the transmitter and the receiver for the wireless Me unit. So that's going to be fun. I'm gonna have a good time. So I need to go ahead and put these on the charger, and we're gonna have some fun. Actually, my wife and I and two other friends, we're going out to Costa Rica. So this is our first time going to Costa Rica for a couple of days to relax and unwind. It's been a crazy year, and these are going to help me record some content while we're sitting back in the hotel, just kind of debriefing about the day's events. So there we go. We just unboxed the Rode Wire Me, and just can't wait to give a report when I come back. And so look forward to the video of my particular use case for these, and if I'll even upgrade to the wireless go-tos, because those are, I can use those with two different people, and I've been told I can use these with two different people as well. So we'll have a fun time exploring, seeing how these work and all that kind of good stuff. All right, so other than that, and I got some other stuff on my desk. I've recorded some unboxing videos. I just haven't put them all together, but but I've been posting pictures, so we'll just look forward to publishing those videos when I come back from vacation. But I figured this one will be really quick and easy, and I can just get it out the way. All right, other than that, I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So this is Mr. Riley signing off from the West Coast, the best coast, the West Side. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, everyone.